Hi guys. So as we can see, the bound is really on fire. It's going really nice. So it's going with the forecast, it's going with the signal, it's going amazing guys. So if you're into bound, what would be the best bounds we have here? It would be the pound dollar, pound franc, then pound Japanese yen. So bound against the safe havens guys. So Japanese yen and franc and dollar just being crushed. So market appetite is good. So you can take the pound against those. Also, if you take pound against CAD, it's gonna work. But it's best to take pound dollar, pound franc, pound Japanese yen. Okay, you should be in those trades, are probably very good. Okay, the pound has been going down for a while, and it's about to reverse. And we were expecting this from last week, and it's just happening. So that's really nice. So we hope this will continue up. We'll be in profit. So best luck for this one, guys. Okay, best luck. That's really big potential for the pound. Okay, so you guys, your stop loss, if you want a big stop, should be here. That's probably, this is the place where it should be. If you want a short one, is here, but it's probably the best to be here, just in case to do a retest. Okay, and your target is about here. Okay guys, the top of this here, because I can see it going all the way up here. Okay, but we already mentioned the buy from lower price, so that's really nice. Okay, that's huge candles. You guys see the size of the candles, really big. And this correction, the pound always like to do this second or third correction to take people out of the market. So you guys, if the sound is good, please let me know. So probably guys, also I'm gonna open the trades here to show you guys what are the best buys here. So pound yen also the buy. We will have pound yen here, just pound franc KB including forecast. Okay guys, this is a good buy also. So you can see this is going crazy. So you guys, anyone of you in the bound trade? Either pound dollar, pound franc, or pound Japanese yen? See, the ABC gave a signal right here, which was beautiful. This one came back a little bit, but this one is nice. So guys, I think the oil also possibly is a good buy. It looks like it's gonna continue to go up, so we can throw one crude oil buy. So if you go to the 15-minute time frame right here, if you can auto this one. So this is also a good buy. The correction finish, I believe, then it will start to reverse it right here, so you can take this buy also. Okay, if you want to use a stop loss, it should be below here, and target you should go for like 31. You should go for 500 points, guys. Okay, so your target should be about right here, or even higher. Okay. So guys, sorry about that. The oil probably is a good buy at 32 price. So if you guys wanna jump to this, okay. Probably what else is good is USDZAR. It's probably going down now. See guys, it's going down, so probably can. If you want to sell this one also, I don't think it's too bad. Go back to the pound Japanese yen. Yes, EuroCAD is probably also good, buddy. That's a good idea. But I think Euro is still a bit strong. Let's check this out. If we go back here and see, I have to go back this way. Yeah, it's probably EuroCAD is gonna reverse. Yeah, it's probably a good idea. It's a EuroCAD. Let's go sell it. here. Yeah, it's a good rejection area right here, and we talked about this one already, so you guys probably can go sell this one. It's not bad to sell EuroCAD also. So, but I think the focus now is in the bound. The bound is gonna fly it, guys. So you guys use these are also probably a good sell. Okay. Sir Invest, yes. Yeah, EuroCAD is probably a good sell. I think Mr. Ahmed Omar was right about USD CAD also probably a good sell. Euro dollar just avoid for now because the dollar index is going down and it's too late to buy the euro dollar. So wait another 50, 60, 100 bips up, then sell it. So wait to sell. Mr. Landel Khonga, it's my pleasure. Thank you. Glad you're happy about the video. So the market is going in expected direction, which is beautiful. Okay, guys. Please guys don't forget to hit the like button, and if you would share the video it will be really nice so we can grow our channel and more people be in benefit. Thank you. So guys, bound trade is going good. If you guys remember, we have talked about this from the previous weekly forecast, not the one I just uploaded today. Previous one, we said we're gonna look to buy the bound. So if you guys got in somewhere here, it's really nice. If you get on only today from somewhere, is also good. If you get here, is not too bad also. Okay, so that's nice. And you can see the bound, 3 bound trades here already in the profit. So in the green, we have the bound franc and bound yen and bound Japanese yen. Also gold, guys, is good buy. Okay, gold is gonna dollar is falling, and at the same time stock market is falling, so this is gold is gonna fly, guys. Gold is gonna fly. Okay guys, so the euro dollar plan now is we're gonna sell it next week. It's too late to buy it. The buy signal started too like long time ago. You're too late to enter the buy. But the bound dollar, the signal just started. That's why you wanna be in the bound. So if you look at the euro dollar here, and if we go small time frame, like 1 hour time frame, so it did reach this level right here. So that was a fantastic buy with ABC system. Was amazing, guys. The system does work. Okay, let's agree on this. The system does work, but one question here: is it ready to be sold yet? We're gonna answer this question together. Is the dollar index done yet? I don't think so. I think the dollar index is gonna continue to fall down a little bit. Okay, guys. So I think it's too late, too early to sell the euro dollar. So do not sell euro dollar now. Okay. So guys, do not sell euro dollar now. Wait, okay? Because I think the dollar index has more room to come down here. Still more room to come. So this means the euro dollar is gonna continue to go up. So the dollar probably is gonna continue falling here. So don't trade euro dollar now. If you're in the buy, you have 2 choices. This is the euro index. Also, the euro index started reversing, guys, so it's fantastic because now we can sell the euro against some strong stuff with confidence. Okay guys, so what we can see here, we're gonna go back to our chart. We can see more people here in the view. So we can see the franc and dollar and Japanese yen on the right side. This means the safe haven the right side, okay? And you can see Australia and New Zealand and probably Canadian is gonna join them to the left side. So it means the stock market is gonna go up. So we can go to the Dow and see if we have a good signal. You can start taking it. There is no good signal yet in the Dow, so we can wait a little bit further. So drop further down here. So we want to catch the Dow reversing from this trend line here, or this support level right here. So you guys see the horizontal yellow dash line right here. This is a nice support. Or you can see the up red trend line. So we want to catch one of those two. Okay guys, so we want to catch one of those two. SPX is just moving the same, like this one is coming down as expected. You guys, we said in the forecast we expect see the candle start turning green, so we said we expect this down move, then it's gonna reverse up. This is gonna send the gold up, guys, so probably gold is only a buy, and you can see the gold trades continue to push higher right here. Okay, so it's already $2 in profit since we entered this one. So we can see the SPX is falling down either here or halfway right there, and this is gonna change the game. You know, once it starts going back up, then the JPY pairs is gonna be really weak. Then we can start buying more stuff against JPY. Okay. And US crude, once this starts going up, US crude is gonna fly up. US crude, I don't think is gonna continue up strongly unless we see the Dow and SPX both going up. Okay, so also the DAX here is probably same scenario. You know, see the DAX is going up at the same time SPX is going down a little bit, but you're not gonna get high momentum unless you see three of them going up strongly. So you guys, if you want to buy the Dow, so the DAX, you can buy the DAX. Okay, I think the DAX is buyable at this price. Gold is a buy. Junior Salman, yeah, he was waiting for the bound franc, and that was really nice. I think we talked about bound franc, a buy, potentially good buy in the weekly forecast. So today, so you guys, please let me know your back, like your feedback about having the weekly forecast sometimes, you know, uploading Friday, so you can get to listen to it, and at the same time you have Friday to trade, and the Friday is a big day in the market. So please give me your feedback in the comment section here if this is good or it's better to be in the weekend, so you can, you know, get after the market complete close, then you get a new week. Friday usually very volatile and a strong day, so you guys, you know, careful from this one. So if you go back here to see what's going on in the market, because watch out, Friday is really, Australian is really strong, so Australian USD is probably a good buy right now. So if you go buy Australian USD or Australian franc or Australian Japanese yen is also a good buy, guys, so you can buy Australian Japanese yen. So guys, we talked about volatility. You can see how volatile the dollars are. This currency has a lot of money. See the time that this is moving only $100, this is $230. So USDZAR for the same lot standard and the same time has a lot volatility in it, so this is really good currency to trade if you're in the right direction. So if you get a good direction, then you're gonna be in a lot of money. So and this is easy to trade. It's not very difficult currency to trade. So if you do look at the USDZAR, we have mentioned this couple 3-4 times this week, right here. Sorry, that's USD Turkish Lira. USDZAR is here. Okay guys, so the best to sell was early there, so this is a little bit late to sell, so you should have been from here at the top right there. Okay, here, that would have been beautiful sell. Okay, so for one lot standard we may be making like over $10,000 just in this run down here, which is really nice. Jay Walter here saying lately I have been watching the lives and they are helpful. Normally I'll watch the forecast in the weekends. Okay, cool. Mr. Said here saying how are you? I'm good, thank you. How's everybody doing? I hope you guys all doing great. So guys, so $ZAR is going up a little tiny bit. Okay, there is a potential this can go like this and come back. There is a potential. The best to sell, as we talked, was from early there. Okay, so if you trade the 4-hour time frame, you're gonna have a lot of, you know, kind of relaxing, because it takes a lot of time to make one candle. If you trade in 1 minute, you're just gonna be going crazy over every single candle. Okay guys, Hanif Osman, so don't trade too many bounds. We're just opening trades to show the direction, but not for the purpose of opening too many bounds. So Euro bound, Hanif, salam. Euro bound. It's not here. But if we go back to here. If you look at the Euro bound right here, it's exactly at break even right now. What does this mean? It's a reversal right now. So it's probably, yes, it's a sell. If you come back here to the side, so you can see the pound stronger and the euro is still here. So maybe wait a little tiny bit, because the euro is still strong. Once the euro starts coming down here, you're gonna get reversal, then you're gonna be able to sell it. Okay. So you can see dollar is still weak, and franc did shift a little bit, and Canadian came here, so a little bit of changing. Dollars are did drop again. You guys see if this was minus 230, now it's only minus 200. So it did drop a little tiny bit. So your Japanese yen, just avoid this one for now. Euro yen. If you want, it's probably not the best pair to trade, because I expect the euro to come down, but the Japanese yen also to be weak. So really, this is the end of the buy, and there is no sell signal yet. See, if you have the ABC system, it's gonna tell you what exactly to do. So in this scenario, you don't really buy or sell. You don't buy or sell without a signal. You must have a signal. Buying without a signal has only one problem. You'll never know where to put your stop loss. So you're just taking a shot for something has not been back tested. So you must have a signal according to strategy. Why? Because this is gonna give you where the stop loss is and the potential targets. Also, it's back tested to tell you in the history when you have done this, it gave you specific results like 70% to success, 80% to success. But if you go buy or sell this one, you don't have a signal. The signal did start right here. So if you took this signal with the ABC system, you would have been in 206 pips of profit. Easy money. Okay, guys. So you can see the dollars are the drop. So you guys don't freak out if this reversed a little bit in you. If you have a solid analysis and you have a risk management, you should not worry about a little bit of volatility in the market, because in the longer term you're gonna be probably in the success. So really you wanna be using, you know, safe lot size, going with the long term trades. Don't put everything in one pair or something like this. Then in the longer term you should be okay. Okay, guys. So let's look at the pound dollar, which you expect to be a good trade. Let's see where it's gonna go. It's still right here because this candle was really big in the 4-hour time frame, so it may take some time, but then it should keep pushing up in the pound. You can see there is momentum here in the big candles and the reverse from this and higher lows and like this. So all the indications this is gonna reverse, and also we are supported by the trend line, green trend line in the ABC system right here. So it's cool. Statistically saying this is gonna go up from the back testing of the system. All these scenarios recommend or suggest that we're gonna continue to push up further. Would it happen sometimes it come back down, hit stop loss? Yes, it would happen sometimes, but for the bigger moves and more often to happen is to go up, not down. Okay, guys. So the gold is flying up here to 1732. Gold can potentially go 1760, you know. So this is probably was a good buy from early price, but even now is okay with $5 stop loss or something. Okay, guys, please do not risk more than 2% of your account in any trade, just in case something goes wrong one day. Then you're not gonna be out of the market. You want to live to fight another day. Okay, you want to live to fight another day in the market. This is probably a good way. You're welcome, Mr. Osman, about the Euro Japanese yen. I hope the answer was clear and you get the message about you know, the signal where to get really good buy or stuff like this. This is just to help you put the stop loss and expect to take profit. Then you will have a peace of mind and confidence to take a trade. Okay, and even if one of 10 trades go wrong, no problem. This has to happen. Just you have to accept this and move on. Don't be stuck in one trade. Move on. Keep moving on. Just learn and improve yourself. Trust your system. Have a solid trading system that, you know, has been proven to work, and keep improving yourself. Just don't give up. And for longer term, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be in profit. And don't expect too much money in short period of time. This needs a lot of techniques and experience and professionalism by certain money management by certain ways. Is very little people who can do this. So much money in little period of time with low risk is extremely genius work. Okay, it's possible, but extremely genius work. So don't go for this one, because taking too much risk is not the good way to trade. There's other ways where you can grow your account fast with a low risk, but it's a lot of effort and patience. Okay guys, so we're waiting for the pound dollar to go up, give it 2 more nice candles like this. Hopefully we can get the head profit hit, then we just will be happy about this, you know, just to call it for the day. Like this is look okay. So if someone did take this trade from a smaller time frame, okay, if you will go to the smaller time frame, let's say 1 hour time frame here, then this did go up from here really fast. You guys see this signal was good. 1 hour time frame, it's like bang. This is 180 bips, and if you guys watched the bip volatility video, we said the pound dollar was, can anybody tell how much was the pound dollar approximately? Okay, we're gonna wait. Anyone can tell how much was the pound dollar? Okay guys, excuse me, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back here, so please if you do have any question, go ahead with it. You guys are most welcome, so we can discuss the market together. And you guys, any one of you guys see a question, you are most welcome to also answer. So this is not this is a complete democracy right here, so you know there is a freedom of speech, completely freedom of speech, so you can put your opinion whatever you like. You know, this is an open market, and each one is free in his own account, so just exchange opinions here. So please, anyone has a question, please, anyone else has an answer, go ahead and answer it. You don't have to wait for me, and we can hear different opinions. So the one person who's asking the question will be in more benefit, get multiple opinions about his question, and also he will feel that more people looking forward to help him and assist him, because some of you guys are more experienced than the others, so he will feel more care. So that's also good. And if anyone has been stuck in a trade, you guys don't be shy to say I'm stuck in a trade, this is losing one, should I hedge it, should I close it, what should I do? Don't be shy by any means to ask. We all have been in situations when we lost to some accounts or something, so we're here to help each other, not to laugh at each other, okay? So we're here to help each other. So if someone is losing, is nothing absolutely at all to make someone laugh at him. Don't call him he made a stupid decision, he got a stupid trade, all that stuff. No, everyone's trying to work hard and do the right thing to, at the end of the day, make some money for his family. So we should help each other, should not be laughing even if someone does not have the much experience to do the right trade, okay? This applies to all of us. So you guys, please, by all means, if someone needs help, go ahead for it and ask for it. Don't be shy by any means either. If you're making good profit in some trade, some direction, share your profit with the group. If you're in a loss or something, also ask for help. Don't be shy by any means. Okay guys? So I always like to keep looking at the market scanner here to see what's going on, just in case of something suddenly change in the market. See guys, the pound is the strongest against, see the franc is weak right here. So we have a pound franc buy right here, so this is good. So now for the long term, I'm kind of not worried, because I see the pound at the left and the franc at the right. Even is not still in a good profit till now, but I'm not too concerned. When I would be concerned, if I can see the pound is coming to the right side and the franc coming to the left side, then at that time I'll probably be closing the trade in a small loss. Okay, but as long as I can see the pound is really strong against everything else, so I'm happy this is going the right way. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna close this gold trade, guys. I don't like to trade gold. So guys, you can see the USDs start to go really good here. Looks like it's gonna go to the profit very soon. So guys, if you would share what trades you have open right now, the group will be nice, so everyone can see what's going on among the group, guys. So it'll be really nice. So the 4-hour time frame, you guys, is amazing. In long term, you just, and when you get a really good time frame, 4 hours like this, it's good. But not too many have the patience to go for 4 hours, because you may go for one trade for like 10 days, 15 days, and it will be in good profits and it comes back to break even. So not everyone has the psychology to accept this. That's why very little people who trade the 4-hour time frame. So you guys, you can see USDR is going the good direction right here. So this is falling nicely here. So if we go on 15-minute time frame, we're just gonna go to this one and take this off here. I have made this for the analysis. Okay, should show nicely. Then I hit Control A. This one. There we go. Okay guys, here we can see this one in a smaller time frame. Small time frame, you're gonna get a lot of noise, so we're really trading a bigger time frame, but we're just seeing what's going on in a small time frame, that's all. So that's right here guys. Okay, so you can put your stop loss wherever you want, but probably 17.31 is good right here. So I hope we can get this run down here. So just gonna remove this line so that you don't confuse someone, like this. Okay, and hopefully we can get this run down here and we'll close the trade. Nice. So guys, you can see the USD crude here is still at the same price, but I think it's gonna go up. The pound franc is pushing up, and the reason for this is because the franc got to be really weak. Probably the Dow start to go up, guys. Don't forget, probably Dow start to go up. So I'm just gonna close this stock because they're taking Bitcoin. I'm gonna close this. Oh yeah, no, I mean this one. Facebook is coming down as expected. This one also. So it's probably still, the Dow is still probably, and the DAX is okay, but the Dow is probably still coming down. See, so we're waiting to buy the Dow from here. See guys, this is patience. See, if we wanted to drop a little tiny bit more here, then we can take this buy from here, from like 24,300 or a little bit 24,400. So the Dow can get like 600 points down still, guys. Watch out, this is possibly to come down another 600 points. So if someone join from here, I would not recommend, because you're gonna have to leave your trade over the weekend, and you don't want to leave a sell in the Dow over the weekend. This will not be good, because if it does open in a gap up, this will be really bad. So for the euro dollar, if you want an area, potential area of rejection, then and reverse, possibly 1.1250 or something, still another 100 pips up. So do not join this one. Sell probably still a little bit 100 pips, but don't buy it, huh? Then at that price probably we're gonna sell right up here, 1.12 at this area when you get a reverse. So another 100 pips up. When you get a reverse from there, then we're gonna sell it. So if we go back to the pound yen or pound franc, so your Australian is not ready yet. You guys see, this is the channel. So you really want to put some locations like this, and you put some squares, and you want to be ready for this area, and you wait for the price to get there and does reverse, then you take the signal. This way you're waiting for the price to come in your playground. You just don't jump in any trade. Okay, So you're giving yourself more chances of being successful. Okay. Pound dollar almost still the same price, did not move, but probably is gonna go up. So let's see what happens. Salam Yahya. Pound New Zealand buying profit, that's nice, 12 pound. Here we go. Gold, yeah, but buy, gold is very risky, so just buy small lot size because it's extremely volatile. Each $1 for one lot standard is like $100. Okay guys, so we give an overall of market analysis, what potentially could happen and stuff like this. So best luck for all of you. So we're just gonna hopefully next week excuse me. So you guys, make sure if you leave some trades open over the weekend, you take your take profit and stop loss off, because this will work against you, it will not work for you. Okay, so you will take TB and SL numbers off and just leave it, and when the market starts the next week, then so you can see the 4-hour candle closed and this now open a new candle. So So guys, for the USD CAD, it may go up a little tiny bit here, as we talked in the weekly forecast, and this is not the best. This is the lower band of the channel, and you already got the big run of the sell. So what you really need is a correction wave, then you're gonna sell it afterwards. Okay guys, so we discussed the market together, then hopefully next week when the market will open, we'll come back and we continue. So guys, thank you. Gold, we think gold is gonna continue go up. Yeah. Okay guys, so thank you for joining today for the live streaming, and hopefully within a month or so we're gonna be doing this in daily basis, and keep following up even with the trades and stuff like that. So best luck for all of you guys, and thank you, and I really appreciate joining and putting your questions, and we discussing this together. Okay, thank you, have a wonderful day, goodbye.